Hi, welcome to another new video, and today's video we are going to talk about Amazon Flex apps. In this video I am going to make a complete guide about Amazon Flex. So how it works, why you need it. So let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, what is Amazon Flex? So Amazon Flex is where hold one of the biggest shares in e-commerce industry, and it is no surprise they need all the help they could get to fulfill all their delivery needs. That's where the Amazon Flex comes in. So the Amazon Flex app, this is where all the magic happen. The Amazon Flex Drive app is primarily platform of Amazon Delivery Partners program. Flex Drives Flex use this to manage the complete guide. So you need to be download for your mobile. So Amazon Flex only use in mobile device. So you just need to be download the apps in your phone. Then once you download, you must be at least 20 years of age to create an Amazon Flex driver. So a valid driver's license, have your social security numbers ready, proof of auto insurance necessary. So you need back details. So after this Amazon Flex driver sign up process, this is the sign up process. So the process is really simple. If you are really excited to Amazon Flex, then you can explore furthermore by downloading their apps. So I hope you love this video. If the video was like little bit informative, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button.